Hello class, once again I am here to explain you the chapter number 3, that is Tools of Word Processor. So in the last video I have told you that in these are the key concepts, and then this is how to Microsoft Word is a processing word software. So now here is editing a document. Yesterday we have done editing a document. What is editing a document? Making changes in the existing text is called editing a document. Making changes in the existing document is called as a what? Editing a document. To edit a document, the text, the word sentence, characters, page, paragraph can be selected and it can be edited in the MS Word document. Now, today's first topic is inserting text. How to insert text. Page number 21. To add new text to an already existing document, follow these steps. Place the cursor to the right side of the character where you want to insert the text. Type the text. Now what you have to do is, these are the few steps given how to insert the text. Place the cursor to the right side of the character. Now where you have to place the cursor? To the right side of the character where you want to insert the text. Wherever you want to put the text, there you will put the right side of the cursor on that particular character. Type the text, then you will write the word what you have to write. The existing text which is placed after the cursor will be shifted to the right side. Now what will happen? When you will type, what will happen? The existing, what is already written, that word will be replaced and shifted to the right side of the cursor. Now turn the page, children. That is page number 22. Here, inserting a blank line. Like if you want to type some fill in the blanks. So in the fill in the blanks, you put a blank in between the words. So inserting a blank line. We can also insert a blank line between two text lines to create a space between them. To insert a blank line, simply place the cursor where the new blank line is to be inserted and press the enter. Now what you will do? Suppose here in these two in these two words, in between you want to put a line. Then what you will do? Here it is written, to insert a blank line, simply place the cursor. You will place the cursor here in between this, and then where the new blank line is there, insert and press enter key. Here you will put the cursor. See here. Here in between both the words, if you want a line, you will put a cursor over there and then you will press enter. Automatically a line will come there. So this is how we create inserting a blank line. Now selecting text. To edit a portion of the text, we need to first select it. Let us learn about different ways of selecting text. The text can be selected by using a mouse or a keyboard. Now, for selecting a text, selecting means whichever you want to, either you want to delete a word or you want to add a word, first you have to select that. How you have to select? There are different kinds of selections given. Either you want to select the word or you want to select the whole line. There are few options given. The text can be selected by using mouse or keyboard also. With the help of mouse also you can do, or with the help of keyboard also you can do this. Now these are the selecting text using a mouse. So this is selecting a text using a mouse. Now with the help of mouse, how we can select a text? A block of text click. Now a block of text. Simply you want this line to be selected. How you will select? Click and drag the mouse over the text. What you will do? Click left, and then drag the mouse. Like you want to select this particular thing till here. You will start from here. Click. You will just click it like this and you will drag till here. Got it? So this is the first type of doing. Then if you want to if you want to select a word, what you will do? You will just double click on that particular word. What you will do? You will just double click on the particular word. Then a line to text, a line of text. Now you want to select a full line. Move the pointer to the left of the line. When the pointer shape changes to a right point arrow, click it. Now what happened? You will take the pointer, that blinking line, to the left of the line. Means the starting portion from where you want to select it. When the pointer shape changes to a right pointing arrow. Now when you will come here, and then what will come? That particular cursor will change into an arrow. That when the arrow will come, then you will just click it, and then the whole line will be selected. This is how we want to select a line. Now second is a paragraph. Now you want to select a whole paragraph. Like suppose you want to select this all three lines from here till here. This is one paragraph. Now you want to select this whole. How you will do is triple click within the paragraph. Inside anywhere you will triple click. Triple means 3 times you have to click continuously. Only 3. Not double click, not single click. You have to do the triple click. Automatically this whole thing will be selected. That is called as how to select a paragraph. Now entire document. Now you want to select this whole page. Now what to do? Move the pointer to the left of any document text. Move this pointer to the left of the document. Left side, not the right side. Left side of the document. When the cursor shape changes to a right pointing arrow, triple click it. Now you have already clicked it here. Now when the arrow is showing you right pointing arrow, the arrow will come and it will show you the right pointing arrow. Then you have to triple click it. Again you have to 1, 2, 3 triple click. Editing. Choose editing. Select all from the ribbon of home tab or press Ctrl A. Simply Ctrl A you can press, Ctrl plus A, the whole page will be selected. If you don't know how to do this, if you don't know how the shortcut is there, if you don't remember Ctrl plus A, then again one thing is there. You will move the pointer here to the left side. Then you will then when the right pointing arrow will come, you will triple click it. Again it will change to the whole whole page will be selected. Otherwise, one thing is there. Choose editing, select all from where you will see here upper side ribbon. This is already we have done last year. So you will remember there is a home tab here. When the home tab is there, in the home tab there is one button called as ribbon. In that ribbon you have to click, you have to choose edit, select and select all. The whole page will be selected. So, and to deselect again, now if you want, you have done a mistake, then you want to deselect the whole page, you want to deselect it. Anywhere outside the page you will click, and any single click you will put not put, just click it anywhere outside the screen, and that whole thing will be deselected. Either it is a block, either it is a word, either it is a line or a paragraph or an entire document. So children, for this today we will be doing till here only, because this is too much. So please do it in your at home. You practice this with your elder brother or sister, or with your parents if you have a laptop or a desktop at home. Otherwise, no problem, we will be doing when the school will reopen, we will be doing in the lab. So children, please think, revise, and then in the next video we will be doing the further things. Till then, thank you, take care, bye bye.